A Westchester man on death row convicted of killing 4 members of his own family is asking the Ohio Supreme Court to overturn his conviction and the death sentence. Thanks for joining us here at 5 o'clock. I'm Sheree Pillella.
And I'm Mike Dardis. Gurpreet Singh's attorneys telling the justices a flawed process decided the case. And WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson here in the studio with the arguments from both sides. Hi, Karen.
Well, hey, guys. The Ohio Supreme Court heard Gurpreet Singh's appeal today. And while he is challenging his conviction and death sentence, prosecutors say each piece of evidence points to Singh as the man who murdered his wife and 3 other members of their family. 4 family members shot to death inside this Westchester apartment in April of 2019. Shailendrajit Kaur, her parents Hakikat Singh Panag and Parmajit Kaur, and Parmajit's sister Amarjit Kaur. Shailendrajit's husband Gurpreet Singh walked out alive, uninjured but with blood on his clothes and gunshot residue on both hands. This is the case prosecutors asked Ohio's highest court to uphold.
This defendant was in this apartment at the time of the shootings. There were 3 undisputed independent geolocation devices that placed him in that small apartment at the time of the shootings.
But Singh's appeals team says the case was not that simple, and his trial lawyers failed him at several critical turns. They say attorneys failed to aggressively challenge the blood spatter and gunshot residue evidence and allowed an unrelated gun into evidence. Their central argument today, after Singh's first trial ended with a hung jury, his lawyers had no good reason to opt for a bench trial.
And nothing is wrong with 3 judges, but in this case, that was not an effective decision because he'd had a jury on this case, and it came back with a hung jury. There's no reason to waive a jury.
Singh's attorneys also say Judge Gregory Howard should have been removed from the second trial because he presided over the first and already knew the case. Prosecutors say that does not prove bias, and a hung jury does not mean another jury would have acquitted Singh. And the Supreme Court judges said they will take the arguments under advisement and issue a decision about the conviction and sentence at a later date. Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.